Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix RTC connecting issue on Discord. So if you have trouble with connecting to the voice channel, let me show you what you can try to do in order to attempt to make a fix. So first of all, let's go to user settings over here in the bottom left corner, and then let's go to voice and video. And now scroll all the way down until you find this button, reset voice settings. And if you click over here, then you can confirm that you want to reset voice settings. And this is the first step that you can do in order to check if that helps. So if this helps, then of course you are good to go. If that doesn't help, the second option that you can do is simply reinstall the whole Discord application. This happens to be helpful for some people, as I know. But if this doesn't help for you as well, then the last option is there's a chance that the server on the Discords are overloaded and they don't work properly. So what you can do is open the browser and go to a certain website. So you can go to discordstatus.com, and this is the website where you can check if there are some voice connection issues. For instance, right now there seems to be some issue in the US central part. And this is of course from the Discord side, not from user side. So in that case, if it seems that there is some issue going on from the Discord side and you cannot connect to server, then of course you only have to wait and see if the issue is gone after some time. Of course, there are other methods that you can try if you're willing to give another shot. So for instance, you can restart your internet, so restart your modem, router, or even your computer. You can try to simply close and open the Discord, but not only close like this, so over here in the top right corner, but end it, for instance, from the task manager, or just, in other words, completely close the Discord and then reopen it. And for instance, if you are using VPN, then of course this might also be the issue. So if you're using VPN and you cannot connect to a voice channel, then try to disable the VPN, turn it off for a second, and then see if that helps. And you can once again go to user settings and then go back to voice and video, and then scroll down to find the following option, which is named Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority. If you have this option enabled, then try to disable this option, and then you can check if you can connect to a voice channel. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.